OfficeReports Analytics is a fully featured Crosstab plugin for Excel that simplifies the process from survey data to crosstabs, banner tables and charts. No more need for specialized crosstab tools or to cope with robust tabulation features in survey platforms. Enter the OfficeReports tab in Excel and start adding your raw data, for example from an SPSS SAV file. As soon as the data is imported, OfficeReports gives an overview of the data organized into variables and observations. If you need your variables reorganized in order to produce the relevant crosstabs, OfficeReports makes it easy to merge and group variables. Or, as in this example, based on a numeric age variable, create a new variable containing 3 age categories. For more complex definitions, OfficeReports contains an advanced formula editor. Let's start creating some tables. Click on the Table button in the menu and select a variable. Here my talent is valued at work. Add the banner point department. Press Create Table and you got a crosstab. To the right, the OfficeReports table pane displays all settings. Now let's add a mean value to the table, and standard deviation and standard error. Filters are easily added to the table. Here a specific age segment. Click the Statistics tab and a set and a t-test can be applied to the table. In the OfficeReports menu, we can adjust the stat settings and, for example, add an extra 90% confidence level. Now update the table and 2 confidence levels are displayed in the table. You may add as many banner points as you like to your crosstabs. Let's add gender as an extra banner point. 1 extra click and the table is displayed nested. The actual table layout can easily be changed, and with OfficeReports you can define and customize your own table layouts. In a number of situations, it's relevant to create many tables in one process. In the OfficeReports menu, select Add Many Tables, then select the relevant variables and banner points. In this example, we add year as banner. Within seconds, the tables will be added to your Excel report. All the tables on the screen contains 2016 and 17 data. If you create tracking reports or similar reports based on templates, you might need to update the report with new data. Let's add the newest 2018 data to the report. With the new data properly added, let's update the report with a new report filter focusing on 2017 and 18 data. Click Refresh Report and all tables are updated in just one process, including stat testing, weighting of data and much more. If you need a powerful crosstab tool working from within Excel, please download the OfficeReports plugin and try out all the analytics features for free.